Hi everyone. So in today's video we are visiting at Runwal Gardens residential project located in Dombivli, Mumbai. So we are riding towards the project. And this is the main connecting road. And from here you can take the view of wide entry gate of Runwal Gardens. And this is the main entrance gate of project. And here we are showing you the amenities space. This is the jogging track and a beautiful landscape garden, thoughtfully designed. And from here you can take the view of phase 1 of Runwal Gardens. And that's phase 2. And there you can see the phase 3. And this is the phase 4. So it's an ongoing project. So this total township is sprawled over 115 acres of land. And this project has 67,000 square feet grand clubhouse. It's a well-developed society. And here's the second entry gate. And that's the central plaza. And now we are taking you into a 1 BHK sample flat. So here we have entered into the living area and now we are moving towards the bedroom. And the room also has an attached washroom. And here comes the common washroom. And just opposite to this we have the kitchen. So it's a 1 BHK flat and now we are here in the 2 BHK sample flat. So this is the living cum dining area designed with an attached balcony. And next we have an open kitchen designed with L-shaped platform. And right here is a utility balcony attached to it. And in front you can see the common washroom. And just next to this we have the first bedroom designed with an attached balcony. And beside this we have the master bedroom, which also has an attached balcony as well as an attached washroom. So friends, that's all in this video. Thank you for watching. For more real estate videos and updates, you can subscribe to our channel. And for site visit and queries, you can call us at the given number. Thank you.